Good afternoon, my name is Sarastya Dewi from Telkom University. Today I will present my research with my lecturer, Mr. Judy Al Hilman and Mr. Francisco Statas Dwi Atmaji, about evaluation of effectiveness and cost of mission losses using overall equipment effectiveness or OEE and overall equipment cost loss or OECL methods, a case study on Toshiba CNC machine. So our discussion today will start with the introduction of this research and then the methods that used in this research. After that, showing the result and discussion of this result, and the last one is conclusion of this research. Okay, we start from the introduction. So as we know, machine is one of the most important elements to support the production process in manufacturing company. This research was conducted in X company, which is a manufacturing company in Indonesia. In this company, there are 10 CNC machines that use for production process. So this is the graph represent the frequencies of the CNC machine failure in the range 2017 and until 2019. As we can see, the Toshiba CNC machine has the highest amount of machine failure. So the Toshiba CNC machine will be used as an object of this research. When the Toshiba machine is breakdown, it can disrupt the production process and cause the losses of the company. Therefore, we need to evaluate the condition of the Toshiba machine. In this research, evaluation is carried out by measuring the effectiveness of Toshiba machine and then analyzing the cause of the breakdown of Toshiba machine. So why this evaluation is important? Because by knowing the cause of the breakdown of machine, we can provide the right solution to reduce the amount of the breakdown of Toshiba machines. Next will be discussed about the methods. Okay, there are several methods used in the study. The first one is overall equipment effectiveness, which is used to measure the effectiveness of the machine. Machine effectiveness is obtained from three factors, namely availability, performance, and quality. After measuring the effectiveness of the machine, we will continue with calculating the 6 big losses. 6 big losses are the 6 biggest losses which influence the machine or equipment. From the 6 big loss factors, the highest losses factor will be analyzed with the cause-effect diagram. Then to calculate the value of losses caused by the Toshiba machine, we use the overall equipment cost loss methods by calculating availability loss, performance loss, and quality loss. The formula for the calculation in this study can be seen as on the screen. And then the result and discussion. These are the calculation of the OEE from Toshiba machine for 12 months using the data in 2019. By multiplying the average of availability, performance, and quality, the OEE value of the Toshiba machine in 2019 is 68.63%. The OEE value has world-class standard. So these are the standard from Japanese Institute of Plant Maintenance. The standard for availability is 90%, for performance is 95%, and for quality is 99%. From the OEE calculation can be seen that the availability, performance, and the OEE value still under the standard from JIPM, but the quality is comply with this standard. So we must find out the factor that cause the low OEE of Toshiba machine by calculating the 6 big losses. Then the 6 big losses calculation are represented into Pareto chart. In Pareto theory, it said that 20% of the highest problem is the main problem that must be solved, because by dealing the 20% of the highest problem, it can solve other problem. Therefore, we will analyze the causes of the reduced speed loss with the fishbone diagram. So this is the analysis of fishbone diagram. Based on our research, the reduced speed loss in Toshiba machine caused by several factors. The first one, formation factor, is caused by the machine used for 24 hours in a day and the old of machine age. From the manufacturer is caused by the lack of the knowledge of how to use and maintain the machine properly. And the third is from method factor is caused by the different skill of the operator in setting up the machine. And the last one, from material factor, sometimes is caused by the type of material is too hard. And the total of the loss value from availability loss, performance loss, and quality loss of Toshiba machine is 849,839,947 Indonesian rupiah. Okay, the last one is conclusions. From this research, we can conclude that the OEE of Toshiba's ANC machine is 68.63%, which is this value is under the standard of GIPM. Next to the 6 big losses, the highest loss factor from 6 big loss is reduced speed loss, with the total value is 39.12% from the total of 6 big loss. The problem that reaches 20% can be said to be a major problem. Then the cause of the reduced speed loss will be identified with fishbone diagram. So, from fishbone diagram, from causal analysis, the cause of reduced speed losses are the lack of the knowledge and the different skill of the operators in using and maintaining the machine. In addition, the age of the machine is old and is used almost 24 hours on weekdays. And the last one, from OECL, overall equipment cost loss. Based on the calculation, the total overall equipment cost loss by the company is 849,839,947 Indonesian rupiahs. So that's all my presentation. Thank you for attention and good afternoon.